Hello guys, first I want to apologize about my shaking hand. I think my hand have a little problem, and I want to present you my new case, an SG-K6 from Segotep, and let's unbox very fast because I'm really curious how is inside. Let's go, bam! Holy shit, was too fast. And let's open the screws. We have here a big wall of plexiglass. It's transparent, nice, really nice. And let's take a look inside of this case. And okay, we have a protection film here. I want to remove it. I don't know if I'm able to remove it with only one hand. I will try. Wish me luck to don't break the plexiglass. Come on. Damn, it's so hard. Come on, a little bit more. Oh damn, I don't want to break the glass. Let's okay, let's see inside the case. I really don't want to break this glass, and the case look a little nice, really nice. And I need a light here to show you, because it's pretty dark inside, and I have here a lantern or something to, yeah, you see I have red fans, are not RGBs. Here is another one fan, but it is a lot of cables for sound and USBs. We have a lot of holes here for air intake. I'm really curious how cool will be inside. You know, I have some problems with temperature inside my old case, and this is the reason because I decided to buy this case. Let's see the front. Yeah, we have a protection film here. I will remove it because you don't see so much things. Yeah, a lot of glass here. It's shiny, nice, really nice. I really like this case. It's super nice. Segotep there, and we have a panel here with some buttons. We have a power button, some LEDs for HDD and for power. We have a reset button there, but it's damn small. I don't know why I have that small button. It's right here. We have here two jacks for audio, and let me focus a little bit, and two USBs 2.0, an LED switch, and an USB 3.0. Is nice, is really nice. This case, I really like this case, and I want to put everything inside to see how is the things. Shit, it's looking so good and so nice. A lot of red lights, and everything is inside my motherboard, CPU, GPU, my power source, SSDs, and my HDD. Everything is inside. Yeah, really cool. And in the front, after the glass, we have some holes who give you the illusion of a wall who will explode. And this case was not expensive, but in the same time don't look like a cheap case. It's nice, this case, I love it, and I think this is with my case. See you next time. Bye guys.